Hey guys, Mao here for Unbox Everything, and today we've got the Xiaomi M365 electric scooter. So, alright, so I'm gonna be unboxing this today and showing you how the scooter is. But first, before anything, I would just like to thank you guys because I was able to buy this with my first YouTube paycheck, meaning all the views that you guys have been watching my videos has paid for this scooter. And yeah, so we're gonna be opening this up and checking it out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so here it is out of the box. It required some assembly, you know, you'd have to put it together, but fortunately I got this secondhand. It was only used for 3 weeks, but the price was significantly lower, so super good buy, and they threw in a free helmet, so really good buy. But yeah, it was already assembled, and yeah, so I'm just gonna show you what else came in the box, and then we'll take a closer look at the actual scooter. So before we get into the looking at the scooter, let's see what's inside the box. This is a really big unboxing. Okay. Alright, so in here is the charging brick, and then also the other end of the charging, so charging. Then we got the air pump extension thingy for the tires. We've got the tool, so you can unscrew stuff on it, yeah. And then finally we've got manual, a really thick manual. And then finally we've got this box, which are the extra spare tires for in case you gotta change your tires if they get a flat. So that's super cool. Thank you, Xiaomi, for thinking about that and giving spare tires for the scooter. Alright, and that is for the box. Now let's take a closer look at the actual scooter. So here's the actual scooter. Again, this is the M365 non-pro version, so just got the 3 lights there to turn it on. Yeah, just like that. So that's pretty cool. We've got the throttle here, which will make it go. Got the bell, and we've got the brake over here. And then of course around here we've got the, where's that? Oh, here we go. The headlight. Down here we've got the locking mechanism. Just pull this down if you wanna fold it. And then over here we've got the wheels, which are air, so that, you know, it's got some kind of suspension just from the air in the tires. Coming around here we've got the charging port down there, and then the battery is under here. So there we go. There is the deck, and then back here we've got the brake. Yep, there's the brake, really good brake, and then the tail light, which lights up when you hit the brakes, obviously. And then this is the clip mechanism for when you fold your scooter. Alright, so here it is again. And let me just run down quickly the specs for you guys. The M365 weighs 12.5 kilograms, so that's around 25 pounds. Not that heavy. You can still pick it up, but you might get tired if you carry it for a long time. It's got a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour, but if you put it in power saving mode, it has a maximum of 18 kilometers per hour. And on a full charge, this can travel for 30 kilometers, but of course that depends on your power usage, how fast you're going, and all that kind of stuff. But roughly, it's advertised at around 30 kilometers. And to get the battery full, for a full charge, it takes around 5 hours. So not so bad, you know, if you're gonna leave it overnight, if you sleep for 5 hours, or, you know, if you just need to charge it up, yeah, 5 hours is the charging time. So it's got a braking distance of 4 meters, and it's got disc brakes, so it feels, you know, more natural, more like when you're braking on a normal bike. That is compared with other electric scooters that have a different kind of brake system. I'm not sure what it's called, I forget it, but anyway, disc brakes feel really good. It's also got regenerative braking, which means that every time you brake, it's gonna store up a bit more power and recharge a bit. So that's also a really cool feature, but you might want to set it to low on the app just so you don't cause any overheating with the battery. Again, it's got a front LED, it's got air tires to add a bit more suspension when you're going over cracks and bumps, and the maximum load or the weight of the rider should be around 100 kilograms or around, I don't know, 200 pounds, something like that. So there we go, that was just my quick unboxing and first look at the Xiaomi M365 scooter. I know this came out quite some time ago, but it's still one of the best scooters to this day, even now in 2019. So I'm probably going to be taking this out and shooting another video, so stay tuned for that, which will be a more hands-on review and letting you know how it actually works in everyday life. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you did, please subscribe for more weekly videos just like this one. And as always, I will see you back here next time as I continue to unbox everything. Shh.